Is your 2010-2015 Lexus CT 200H key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple, cost-effective way to restore full functionality, including remote locking, unlocking, and panic alarm features. This video will guide you through the process, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. Your Lexus CT 200H key fob requires a CR16323 3V lithium coin cell battery. This is a widely available standard battery, so you can purchase it at most drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, or online retailers. Brands like Energizer and Duracell are reliable choices. Ensure the new battery is fresh for optimal performance. You'll only need a few basic tools for replacing the key fob battery in your 2010-2015 Lexus CT 200H. A small flathead screwdriver is essential for gently prying open the two halves of the key fob casing. Alternatively, use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob's surface. An optional battery tester can verify that the old CR1632 battery is depleted and confirm the new one works properly. Work on a non-conductive surface to prevent static electricity from damaging the fob's circuit board. Carefully inspect your key fob. Locate the small indentation or seam along the edge. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver into this indentation and twist slightly to pry the two halves of the fob casing apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic clips. If your key fob has a physical key, remove it before prying open the case. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. Carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Avoid touching the circuit board directly to prevent static discharge. Insert the new CR1632 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. This correct polarity is crucial for proper operation. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until they snap securely back into place. Ensure there are no gaps or loose edges. A properly reassembled fob should feel solid and secure. After reassembly, test the key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your car remotely. Also, test the trunk release and panic alarm features. If any functions are still not working, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the casing is fully closed. If issues persist, the circuit board may need professional inspection. If your replaced battery corrodes quickly, consider using a sealed CR1632 battery variant to prevent moisture damage. Proactively replace the battery every 1 to 2 years, especially in humid climates, to avoid unexpected failures. Dispose of used lithium batteries responsibly at a recycling center to handle hazardous waste safely. For future key fobs, consider rechargeable alternatives to reduce environmental waste. If problems continue after replacement, consult a Lexus technician for professional diagnosis. With proper maintenance, your key fob will function reliably for years to come.